arrived from the blizzard. I'm freezing.
Flowers.
Aw, yeah. So, it's midwinter, full swing. And I've got a video today that'll warm you up. I'm cooking up some of my frozen morels in the dead of winter. And I'm gonna stuff them up. And they're gonna be delicious, gooey and cheesy. So join me today. For stuffed morels.
Duck and cover.
Check the description box for the recipe.
Gooey-licious. Oh, yeah.
Spicy green leprechauns, gooey melted cheese, crisp morel exterior. Deliciousness. Spicy because it really tastes those serrano peppers. The chives come through, the creaminess of the cream cheese and the fresh mozzarella. You want this, you know you do. Yum.
Delicious. Warm comfort food. Yes.
Thanks so much for watching today. Get it. I can't get up. Oh, I'm so old.
Please like, comment, and subscribe.